Okay, I went short below the signal bar here. I'm just gonna put my stop in quickly. So we were pretty much in a trading range the whole day. We got a sharp breakout here to break out of the range and break out above yesterday's high as well. And then we got another climax up. So one climax here and a second leg up and really late in a trend. So we've been trending up for 2.5 hours, 3 hours. And then we got the biggest set of bull bars at the end. So that often signifies the end of a trend. So I took a chance on it after I saw the bear bar to go short, looking for a swing down for 50 cents. I think there's a good chance that we get below the low of the final climax. So I'm gonna move my target up right there. It's possible that this was strong enough to get another leg up, but I was willing to take the chance on this one. Okay, I'm gonna move my stop to break even. We got within 5 cents of my target and started to bounce up, so hopefully we can get back down, but my stop loss is at break even now, so there's no risk on the trade. Oh my god, as soon as I exited, it went down to my target. So I ended up getting out with about 25 cents instead of my planned 50 cents. The 50 cents was just the automatic default when I press the button down here, but I thought testing the low, the last climax here was a reasonable target. The reason I exited early was because I have contractors here still and I had to deal with something, so I wanted to get out. I didn't want to leave the orders there. Ideally I would have set a conditional order. One cancels the other, but I haven't done that before and I didn't want to risk messing anything up. So I thought I tried to wait as long as possible and it wasn't going, so I just exited at 275.10, and half a second after I exited it went down to my target. And now it's gone down a bit lower, but I thought testing the low of that last climax was reasonable. It was similar to something like this. Rally for a couple hours, bull trend, getting kind of exhausted, and then finally you get one blow off top. The example today had two climaxes, one pullback, two. The difference here is that after this one climax, we had follow through buying, but today we didn't. So I think that's the reason we got the extra leg up today. So here we had the second leg, and then we test the low of the climax, similar to what we did here. We had the climax, final blow off climax, and then we test the low of the climax right here. And so I think that's pretty common. So that's what I was looking for today. And we ended up getting it and got down much lower as well. So I'm pretty happy with that trade. Kind of a sucky situation with the exit, but I'm happy with my management.